Hello guys, nakita mo yan guys, dumaan yung train. Akala ko MRT, LRT. Chemicals pala yan guys.
I'd like to jump on one, but my ass on the
Chemicals, you know guys, oh, it's the chemicals. Inside the chemicals, they are very important. You know, the refinery. You know, guys. Yeah, and this is my friend. Hello, Kari. Yee. Welcome to the USA. wala nakakita. Ayan guys.
Very important.
Napakarami guys. Very.
They don't have money. They're going to trade free in the bank.
Yeah, very long. You know guys, very long.
Huh?
Long.
It's very important.
Yeah, very long.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what she
Chemicals
said.
inside, huh?
That's what she said.
Chemicals inside the container.
Everybody do the graffiti, man. Some people got dick early.
Graffiti?
I love the graffiti. How they draw on it?
Yeah. What inside?
Swag. Probably a bunch of stowaway people.
Wow. Yan guys.
Yeah, it's so good. Wow.
Too much, maybe 100 tang inside. You know the container, you know guys, very far away. Guys, I speak English right now because I'm in here USA, you know.
Yeah. He gotta change his accent, guys.
Yeah.
USA.
Yeah, you must speak in English, you know guys.
Even more too. I can't understand it, you know.
He drank Red Bull, you know, so that she fighting after.
Red Bull, give it.
Energy. After you drink, you fight.
Red Bull, give it.
You fight.
Let's go fight, fight.
Because guys, she drank Red Bull because we ride long distance, 7 hours, you know guys, and 6 hours. Then after he come back 6 hours again, you must power energy, jiggy. Like that guys, already long, the last one guys, the last one, you say, try, you know. Yeah, very important this guys, huh? Bye bye, see you my next vlog. This is my friend from Bataan, and this is my beautiful and sexy friend from Luciana, Miss Kali. Luciana, your place, Luciana, you know? Luciana.
How you twisting your tongue, y'all?
Yeah,
Trying to be,
my tongue is very, yeah, my accent exercise right
yeah,
now.
sound like you said Louisiana.
Yeah, and this is the Ultra, you know guys, Ultra.
Niccolo.
Okay, bye, see you my next live and vlog. This is DJ Freeman Black, my boy. God bless us and more power from USA, New Orleans.